Chris coming.
Oh yeah. I keep on forgetting that.
Good Lord. Alright, so I'm looking at that. I'm happy with most of it, but that needs some softening, right? That's just, that whole cluster of rocks needs some softening. So, boom. I'm gonna move that little grass right here. That'll match that grass and that grass down there. So it'll all tie in, and that grass will soften that big chunk of stone. Alright, so I just had it in my head and it worked out pretty good. Okay. I knew it was gonna be a natural stone walking area, but yeah, that'll turn out nice. All this ground covering is just gonna be like a natural forest area. We'll keep it probably 6 inches to 10 inches tall, just nice and plush green. So I do have some leftover stones. And since we're on this natural bank, I'm gonna go ahead and put some decorative stones around these rhododendrons. Kind of just add something to it, all right? So we'll get that, and yeah, just about done. Feeling good. Good day. Alright, so that's our little finished project for the first part of our day. Stones turned out pretty good up there on the rhododendrons. Just add some more natural look. Like I said, all that'll green up and it'll look good. Look at these lily pads, man. The lily pads are, I'll show you real quick, they're beautiful. These already have flowers. Time to bud out. Beautiful. All right. Big sigh of accomplishment. You have no idea how good it feels to be done with this project. Hopefully, I gave you guys a good rundown on how we priced it out and how it all went down. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And I know I am way behind on responding. Trust me, as soon as I take my break, I'll get back in touch with everybody, all right? So look, I'm going to mow more grass. If I don't check back in, you know how it goes. Be good if you can. Be kind to everyone. And love each other. Always love each other. Lead landscape style. Peace.